Shall we talk about blonde?
We are obsessed.
L'Oréal Professionnel presents Run Le Hair Show, Episode 4. Learn how to achieve the latest blonde trend, French balayage shadow in La Masterclass.
It's like another way to become blonde.
Blonde with no limits. Discover the high technology of the new Blonde Studio 9 Bonder inside in Le Lab.
Because at L'Oréal Professionnel, we have science on our side.
Get the latest trends and find your very own blonde look in La Revue.
Mean? Have you ever been blonde?
Yes, but you'll never find a picture.
And get more secrets to make blonde a success story. Pro Secrets.
Blonde and beyond.
Episode 4. Let's talk about blonde.
Let's go through the blonde mania.
Run Le Hair Show. Join us.